Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Amazing. So, are you ready for 30 simple questions with Twinkle?
Yes, come on in.
Let's go. So, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I make my bed.
And what's the best advice you've ever received?
Let's start with whatever you have. Don't wait for the right time or the right resources.
What's one thing people would be surprised to know about you?
Oh, I can twist my tongue and invert it
That's crazy.
like this.
What's one thing you can't stand?
People when they make noises while eating.
Okay, and what's always in your bag?
In my bag, I always carry my specs, my card holder because I can't carry cash, and my gloss.
Okay. Early bird or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
How do you end your day?
I just sit here and end my day with some movie or a series. I'm a binge watcher.
Okay. If you had a superpower, what would it be?
The ability to fly anywhere and everywhere. I love traveling and I think that would be great.
Okay. What's one thing you're proud of?
That I'm a smart spender. I don't spend on things which are not necessary.
And what's one thing you wish you would have learned earlier in life?
The ability to say no. I'm so bad at saying no to people.
What's one thing you always wanted to try but haven't?
Skydiving.
And what's the best compliment you have ever received?
I don't know if it's a compliment, but whenever a CA aspirant tells me that they were able to clear their exams because of my tips and tricks, or I helped them anywhere in their journey, I think that's the best compliment
Wow.
ever.
If you could have dinner with one person, dead or alive, who would it be?
For obvious reasons, Mr. Ratan Tata ji, he was an amazing person, and I'm sad that can't be possible anymore.
Favorite cuisine?
Anything that has cheese.
What song do you listen to on repeat?
I don't know what's up with my Spotify, but whichever song I play, Korean, indie, whatever, the second song is always a Navratri Garba song.
Die Hard Gaju. So, if you had a theme song, what would it be?
Hall of Fame by the Script.
Okay, and what's your screen lock?
It's always New York skyline, whether it's my iPad or laptop or my phone, because I want to go to New York very bad.
If you were not a CA or into content creation, what would you have done?
I would have been into marketing.
And what's one thing everyone should experience in Surat?
They should try locha. It's the best dish ever.
Wow. And what's your favorite part about Mumbai?
I think the freedom that it gives everyone.
And what's your pinch me moment?
That's when I became a CA. I saw my result and I was like, oh my god.
Wow. What's one travel hack that you swear by?
Whenever I'm traveling or about to travel, I go to a local shop and buy khakra thepla for the trip.
Interesting. Something you remember from your childhood?
The energy that I had. Just kidding. I shaved my eyebrow once when I was little.
That's adventurous. What's one app you can't live without?
Google Pay.
And what's your favorite travel destination?
Europe. Everything is so picturesque.
And what's one thing you notice in someone when you meet them?
How firm the handshake is.
Rom-com or drama?
Rom-com.
Your style in one word?
Experimental.
Which movie have you watched the most?
K3G. For Pooh.
Say something controversial.
Rain and chai pakoda are overrated and not as romantic as it is said.
Oh, that's pretty controversial. Well, thank you so much for your time. We had a lovely time shooting this.
Thank you so much for having me, and like, comment and subscribe for the next video.